When we started Evanssion, we were very, very clear that we need to add a tremendous amount of value to three entities. One is the customer, the second one, the partners, and of course the vendors. And this is the maximum font I can reduce on this value-added distribution. I think the most abused to it. I don't like being called a value-added distributor, and the primary reason being that the actual value addition has dropped drastically, and everyone knows it. So when you call yourself a value-added distributor, I think there's not much of respect. So what we want to be called is an evangelist. We wanted to evangelize technologies. We wanted to be a value-adding engine to the customer, to the partners, and to the vendors. And we wanted to evangelize everything with passion. We believe that either we do it with passion or don't do it. So the name Evanssion itself was derived from evangelizing passion.
What excites me about Evanssion? I would say the first thing is people. All right? People, because Dilip and Ashok, they believed in us before the world started believing in us. And that's something very special to me. And obviously, all of the people here, and that's a testament to the quality of the business that you're running. So to me, the number one thing is people. Second thing I would say is passion. What we are doing at Nutanix is very different from how the data centers are built, how the solutions are actually sold. And it requires a lot of faith. And faith comes from passion. And without that level of passion, I don't think you couldn't have done. I mean, you can't spell Evanssion without passion, right? So that's it. The last thing I would say is execution. It's one thing to have people and passion, but if you fail in execution, none of these things really matter. And in the last 9 months, what Evanssion has done for us in Nutanix here in Middle East is phenomenal. And that level of execution, that level of commitment means a lot to us. So those are three things: people, passion, execution.
Frankly, what I see in Evanssion, and it's totally different from any other distributor. They are not a classical distributor. They help us really to pitch an opportunity to go jointly to the market. They work on the ground where they help us to develop the opportunity from all aspects, from A to Z. And this is exactly at this stage where we are a startup as a Nutanix, and we are a newcomer to the territory. This type of distributor that we're looking for. They present the real partnership, frankly, because it's not real, it's not one word, but I want to explain it. Because they work with us hand by hand in any opportunity, and sometimes they ahead of us on the customers to help us to penetrate some key industries in the Saudi Arabia.
What excites me about Evanssion is the passion, the knowledge, and the desire to be successful across the region.
After working with Evanssion, I found that Evanssion is really different than others. It's rarely to find a distributor who can help you really in sales, in pre-sales, in implementation. They are investing with us. They believe in our products, and that's real a partnership which we would like to have from distributors in general and partners. Evanssion really is our right hand in the market. We rely on them a lot. Thanks, Evanssion, for your support. Thanks for the teamwork.
Yeah, when we were coming to the region, we wanted somebody that understood the region, understood the data center space, but more important, were passionate to share the success that we can together in the region.
Is the people, the knowledge, the experience, the whole attitude and positivity that they bring to us as a partner, distributor, and really a group of friends now from an Excel's perspective.
Passion.
The simplicity of this relationship.
Epic. Awesomeness.